The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu LT is here, and it's redefining what a midsize sedan can be. With a sleek, aerodynamic design and an aggressive front grille, this car turns heads wherever it goes. The LED headlights and daytime running lights add a touch of sophistication, while the 17-inch aluminum wheels give it a bold stance. Under the hood, the Malibu LT is powered by a 1.5L turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. Paired with a smooth CVT transmission, this sedan offers a refined driving experience with responsive acceleration and exceptional fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for both city driving and long highway trips. Step inside, and you're greeted with a premium interior designed for comfort and convenience. The 2025 Malibu LT features an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Chevrolet's latest MyLink interface, providing seamless access to navigation, music, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, while the dual-zone automatic climate control ensures a pleasant ride in any weather. Soft touch materials and available leather-trimmed seats enhance the luxurious feel, making every journey enjoyable. Plus, the advanced noise cancellation technology keeps the cabin quiet, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. When it comes to safety and technology, the Malibu LT doesn't disappoint. Chevrolet has equipped this sedan with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and automatic emergency braking. The rear-view camera and available blind spot monitoring system provide added confidence when navigating busy streets or highways. Adaptive cruise control makes long drives more comfortable by automatically adjusting speed to maintain a safe following distance. With its high-strength steel frame and multiple airbags, the Malibu LT prioritizes your safety while delivering a smooth and controlled ride. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu LT is a stylish, efficient, and feature-packed sedan that offers a premium driving experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a comfortable road trip companion, this car delivers in every aspect. With its modern technology, impressive fuel efficiency, and refined interior, the Malibu LT continues to be a top contender in its segment. If you're in the market for a sedan that combines style, performance, and practicality, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu LT should definitely be on your list. Stay tuned for more car reviews and updates here on Export Car, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content.